Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at the Blurams A31C Pan Tilt Zoom Smart Security Camera. As we open it up, we've got the camera right here. As you can see, it can do almost a 360 of video coverage. I think it's 270 degrees. It's got a speaker on the back here, microphones you can go ahead and talk to whoever's behind the camera. Got some nice protection right here, protecting the lens. You've also got a light right here, and that will light up any area. It can also help ward off intruders. If you tilt the camera down, you can see right here, you've got a slot for a micro SD card, so you can go ahead and save your footage there. But you can also use the Blurams cloud storage feature within the app to save your footage on the cloud. Right back here, you've got a slot for the micro USB cable to go ahead and power this thing up. You've also got two slots right here to go ahead and mount this if you like. So you can mount it on a wall, but I prefer just putting it down on a surface. At the bottom of the box, we've got the micro USB to USB cable to power it up. We've also got the wall brick. You've got the user manual, and you've also got a template in case you want to install this thing on the wall. And you've got two screws and two drywall hooks to do so. I went ahead and plugged this thing in. As you can see, it's doing some sort of calibration cycle right now. And you can see on the app right there, we got the A31C ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and press that. The red light is flashing, meaning it's ready to pair. I went ahead and scanned my phone screen with the camera, and now it's connecting. Now, as you could see what I am viewing on the camera through the phone screen, and it is great quality. It's got 2K quality. You can go ahead and press the camera icon or the camcorder icon to either take a picture or take a video of what you're currently looking at, and you can use this joystick here to rotate the screen. So you can change your view, go up and down with the view, get a complete view of whatever it is you're looking at. But it also has motion tracking, which means you will be able to automatically have the camera move and track the target. So you'll make sure that everything that you want to be recorded is recorded with the camera. There's an alarm function. You can also press this call button on the camera if you're behind the camera. Maybe your kid's at home with no phone, and it'll go ahead and ring the phone that has access to the camera. This camera also has night vision, so you can completely see whatever you want to see at night if it's dark in the room. So whenever it gets an motion alert or somebody's in front of the camera, you will get a notification on your phone, and all the footage will be saved in the library right here. If you have the micro SD card in there, that's great. You can get a lot of storage for free, but you can also get access to their cloud storage within the app. So overall, I highly recommend this Blurams Lumi A31C security camera. Thanks for watching.